Grandma, I've missed you.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
That's it. How you doing?
Good. Marty!
This car is like so dangerously slow. No top end or low.
Alright.
Slow Jay-Z, yes.
I mean, Volvo action, yeah?
Dude, your car would.
Cut.
Hey, we got Chevy, we got Ford, BMW. We got the fuck what that is.
Oh.
We got the Jeeps. We got Logan Slow Tiburon, whatever the fuck it is.
What you got?
Brother!
Just got here too?
Huh?
You just got here?
I've been out here for a minute. Vape God.
Huh?
It's our favorite vape God.
What's good?
Oh.
And usually most jobs. I used to have.
Hello.
I love you.
We got the big fuck up right
I
there.
love you too.
Okay.
Eat ass and drive fast. And if you don't, you're slow.
How the fuck you turn this off? Turn it off.
No, all right. Is anybody else trying to step up to the plate? Anybody else?
Yeah!
Give a burn out!
Excellent. Cutter! Oh!
Hey, bro. Where the fuck have you been
Of course your ass has sushi.
Bro,
You're fucking straight, I do.
dude, I got the Volvo and I no car.
What's up, bro?
Connor.
There's a fucking car in front of him. Oh, we got something! Yeah!
Alright.
This is before you do a burnout. Hi! Welcome to the stage. We got one rule. Send to the silent.
Zach! What's up, buddy? Are you doing a burnout? You gonna try?
Can I get a burnout? Fuck everybody else. It's starting!
Run for it.
Skylar,
Yes.
it's the daily. How do you feel about the outcome so far?
So far it's been fantastic. People are starting to spin their tires. I really kind of wish people would get the fuck off the road so they don't get hit, but it's not my shop. I don't have to pay insurance for them.
What's insurance?
I don't fucking know either.
Get the fuck out the way!
Come on, spin them faster, faster! More power! Power! Oh yeah. Still going, strong, still going strong! Goddamn, love that smell. The turnout's great tonight. People are really starting to spin their tires, starting to have a lot of fun. Right now, or actual rain, I don't really know. I'm allergic to sushi, but I do appreciate it.
Oh, he's a baby girl. Holy shit, Sam! Oh shit, is it a family reunion?
Good. I saw you driving down and I was like, and then I saw you.
That car's 100% gonna get hit sitting right there. It's in the middle of the road!
Damn it, it's your mama's Corolla.
Everybody talk shit to the
The
motherfucker.
Japanese Mustang, everyone be
Oh,
careful.
dude, is that an Is that a Honda? Yeah! ready to jump. Exactly.
And nobody died. Turn it out. Turn it. You're on stage. Everyone's watching. Don't let us down. No pressure. Damn. We'll give you one more chance. One more. You got this.
That shit just snapped.
See, he didn't let us down. He did not let us down. He gave us excitement. He didn't let us down. It took too long. Ground control. You gonna send it for us? Prove that Ford's better. Let's see it. About it. That was 9 last night. I got fucking step. That's fucking beautiful. That's LS Swap Mustang.
That shit hurt my chest.
Cops here.
Where? What are the
Cops. Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. Yes.
Stay down, Jack.
There has not been a single car.
I didn't think it would be an issue because of, like, with all the businesses being closed. That's why we did it so late. So.
Well, it's an issue. Okay. So, all these cars,
So mainly,
they need to go.
can we just move them out of the way of the other businesses, like along the fence and whatnot, so they're out of the way? Is that alright?
Where are we gonna put them?
Dude, she said I got that womp, bro.
My dad.
She's a what?
She's a fucking like GSP.
She said, hold on.
She's a GSP?
Hold on.
Hold on. The fucking black car. Not the blue ones, the black Tahoe.
Oh,
That
fucking
sit on the
Department
side
of
of 16
like,
and shit. Yeah, Department of Public.
Cops.
So, who's the owner?
I don't know.
We've already talked. She's down there talking to somebody. Is her partner down there or something?
I have no idea. The only cop car we see is the one down there that she got out of.
Oh, okay, yeah. She's going.
Probably. Don't hate because I'm awesome.
So she's going to talk to somebody because what the problem is, we're blocking businesses around the neighborhood.
it's a DOP.
So the fact that we're blocking businesses, problem.
But they're not open right now.
So wait, let me ask you this. So as long as we keep it on this road, is that a problem?
Well, as long as this area, there's just so many fucking people here. I guess they're the problem.
Well, good. So are you the owner?
Well, I work here with them. So
Oh, well, good fucking job. This is great meat.
Yeah.
Love it.
Businesses, I was like,
There hasn't been a single
Okay, let me ask you this. About 100 people are about to leave, and they're waiting on me to tell them what's going on. I'm waiting on you.
Just let them know. Hey, I'm waiting on the She's like, because you're blocking businesses and it's an issue. I was like, well, I figured it's after
wonder how his
hours
legs
and
have
everybody's
now.
closed around
Yeah,
here.
we're like-
I was like, but I was like,
warm
if it's
on
an
my legs,
issue,
too.
I was like, can we move them and park them in front of the fence off the road? That way we're not causing, you know, not creating any issues. Because I don't want to fucking get on our bad side, you know. So we'll see what happens.
Man. Something off my way. Got the Jetta.
Every day they need to go. So all these cars down here
I need to knock that shit off for a second.
Thank you.
So we want to tell her what happened?
Yeah, I was at the fucking red light down there and I saw the cop.
Damn. Zach, get your ass over here, bro. We got his
I'm taking you home right now.
It would take me so long to get here.
Hi, guys. We got the Karens of the cops. Oh, that's the sound of the police.
I can't wait to get.
Oh, there's like 60 of them pulling in.
Is there more?
Yeah, there's a second squad.
I mean, I know the other one's here, but I didn't. Oh, hey, what's up? I thought the same thing.
Can you park like in there? All right, because I'm about to get somebody right here too. It looks like everybody's trying to get parked right here. So
Yeah, I just brought a megaphone and I got de facto guy.
Yep. All right, yeah. If you want, just walk around, tell everybody, let's go, get out
have all
of here.
these cars right here. It's a safety hazard too. So
Right.
Skylar.
Good happening.
Well, no, it wasn't these cars. There's down
You are not on the concrete in front of the shop. You must go.
I got you, fam. Protect that spot. Yeah. Protect that spot.
VTech, baby. VTech.
You saved your ass that big of a spot for a Hyundai.
They're, who?
Hey, can I drive the boat?
He's an apprehension dog, so you don't want to go out.
No,
Especially with a crowd of people.
That's fair.
He gonna say hi to
I'm
everybody.
nervous already.
Again, I want to get this.
It's got a little window.
I don't know.
My brother actually just got a Belgian Malinois, so that thing's a pain in the ass.
What's he
Well, he's got nothing to do with it, and he works fire department, so he's never home to take care of it. So well, he's got a black lab.
You're going to lunch and not Thanksgiving. Come back.
What? Stop pulling your mama. You're cute. I give you attention. You're all muddy. You're beautiful. You're a wet dog right now. All right, Skylar, you know this is the ending of the video.
Well, we had about 100 people show up. We had a lot of fun, got real rowdy. The cops came. They were super cool. Shouts out to Street and Sons for hosting the best meet in Savannah in a long time. Hopefully we're going to be here next week, or hopefully they're going to be here next weekend. And if so, I'll be right here making everyone laugh. And until then,
Show your titties.
show your titties.